Well, till yesterday I was using the Predator generator, the 9500 on both food trucks. So pretty much this morning the old one died. I got this one. I had to put oil, but I'm so surprised on this generation. Changes on the power switch over here, and we have a new outlet, the 50 amp. The old one I was using an adapter for the 30 amp over here to use with the food trucks. Yeah, what can I say? Amazing. This is about the oil. I was trying to use my funnel, but I just remember, you know, it comes with a funnel. The panel on the old generation, you had to use screws, size 7, I guess. Doesn't even matter right now because you have these knobs. You can open this, and also the padding. Look at the padding over here. I feel like this one will be a little bit more quieter. I don't know. We're gonna see what's going on. Very easy to access the oil thing over here. I'm wondering, the other one when I was taking the oil out, it has a pan over here. So how do you, I'm wondering how you flush the oil thing. Even so, well, so just looked into the manual and I noticed that, let me move it a little bit. So check this out. So there is a drain, it's actually this guy. Come on. So they made this, this is a, okay. So this is the drain from the engine. So nice, pretty convenient, right? On the other one, it was a hole over here with a lid. So so nice, so nice. It stays over here. The padding again. I cannot wait to hear it running. Okay, so convenient with this one. I'm too excited, I guess. Got some oil. I got the O'Reilly one, full synthetic. Doesn't even really matter because for the first cycle of 8-10 hours I want to use it with this one, and then I want to flush everything and use something better, probably Honda, probably, I don't know, Castrol or Mobil 1. Yeah, so looked online, it says on the manual that is taking 1.1 liters. I guess that's it. Clean. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back. Oil, gas. Now I have to check the battery. Okay, not a good thing. The latch is over here, man. The knobs, so easy to get inside of it. So easy, so convenient. Okay, battery. Okay, let's connect them just like this, right? Okay, now the battery is connected. Padding, love it. I cannot wait to hear it because I'm pretty sure it's so quiet. nobody complained, no events about my Predator, the other one, the 9500. Okay, so it's pretty much good to go. Battery is connected, we have gas. Okay, 0 hours, it's time. Run position to start twice. How cool is this? How cool is this? Bam! One thing about this unit in particular, in comparison with the old version, the 9500, is that with the other one, I was using all the time this connection, which is the 30 amp. All three food trucks are they have 50 amp connections, so I was using this adapter, which is 240, but just 30 amps. So yeah, because the other one did not have the 240 50 amp. So right now I'm not gonna use this adapter anymore, as this will be exactly what I need. So this pretty much is a game changer for the food truck industry in general, especially in US. Being able to use it with propane, natural gas, I don't know how many people will use natural gas, probably homeowners, but even so, for the food trucks in particular, this is fantastic. Gas, you always had gas on the other ones. Honda is using gas, you know, most of them, but propane. And then another thing, because there are other brands over there, this is quiet. This is a quiet one. So we know the brand, we know it's a imitation of Honda, but I feel like it's better. I have also a 7500 Honda, and I was preferring the 9500 Predator more than the other one. That one has only like 5 hours probably. Yeah, this one is new, and I'm so eager to go on the first event and try this one with that food truck over there. So yeah, this is good news.